Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make Tarte Tatin and my husband is going to make that and I'll do the filming. Okay, just hang in there. Now we are peeling the apples. We're gonna use this time apple. You can use any fruits you want, but we choose apple. Okay. How many apples did you?
We need 4 to 5 big apples.
Okay. The apples is ready and now we have to squeeze of lemon. To avoid the apples, what is that?
For changing the color.
Yeah.
It's also extra flavor.
And now we are going to make caramel. First you have to heat the pan very hot, so it's easy to caramelize the sugar. But you don't have to mix it with the, just shaking the pan. It's started to melt, almost finished, and you have to shake it. Look at that, now in the baking pan.
Watch it, it's very hot, yeah?
Okay. Look at that, very nice caramel. Now we are going to add the apple. Be careful, it's very hot. Still boiling. Yes, and then continue until the apples is all in the pan. Okay, nice. And now for our dough, we just buy ready dough and then we have to make it flattened to cover here. But first we have to put cinnamon and vanilla syrup. It's easy to make, isn't it? And I think it's yummy. Let's add cinnamon. Cinnamon and vanilla.
Not too much.
Just about 2 teaspoons, something like that.
So now we can roll the dough. Just over it.
Roll over the dough.
And then what's over, you're gonna tuck it in there.
Yes, all right. I preheated already the oven for 200 degrees. And it goes to the oven for how many hours baking?
25 minutes.
Oh, 25 minutes only. Okay. Just make a hole with the fork for air. Okay. Okay, it's ready. Tarte Tatin. Oh, wow. Tarte Tatin. Tarte Tatin. Look at that. Okay, let's try it. Oh my God, so delicious. I'm sure you're gonna love it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comments, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.